Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Uptown Suites Extended Stay Miami, Florida, Homestead. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Uptown Suites Extended Stay Miami, Florida, Homestead, located in Homestead, 4.1 miles from Florida Keys Factory Shops. Uptown Suites Extended Stay Miami, Florida, Homestead has accommodations with a fitness center, free private parking and a garden. With free Wi-Fi, this 3-star hotel offers a 24-hour front desk and luggage storage space. Homestead Miami Speedway is 4.2 miles away and Homestead Air Force Base is 5.8 miles from the hotel. All rooms come with air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with cable channels, a fridge, a coffee machine, a shower, free toiletries and a desk. Rooms come with a private bathroom with a hairdryer, while some rooms have a kitchen with a microwave. At the hotel, each room includes bed linen and towels. Fruit Spice Park is 7.5 miles from Uptown Suites Extended Stay Miami, Florida, Homestead, while Everglades Alligator Farm is 8.4 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Miami International Airport, 27 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.